Look what I found in front of my house. I'm trying to help him, but I don't even know how to help a bird. So y'all see this little guy? Can y'all see him? Hey, little guy. Are you okay? Can you guys see him? I don't know how to help this little bird, for real. Yeah, this is all my stuff for work and shit. But... Hey, little birdie. Are you okay? So I'm just gonna leave him here. Hopefully he doesn't die or nothing. It'll suck if he dies. But I don't know how to help a bird. And so yeah. Look how close I am now. Oh my god, he's flying. You're flying, little birdie. Oh my god, fly. Here, come on. See if your mama will help you or something. Diablo, can your mama help you? Here he goes again. Hey, little birdie. Oh shit, that's his mama. Hey, little birdie. Hey. That must be his mom. That's his mom. I hear her. Hey, little birdie, on my lap. Guess who's back with a brand new rap? And I don't mean rap as in a new case. He's hiding under the leaf. Hey, little birdie, what are you doing? Anyways, I'm just gonna leave him be, and I think he should be okay. Bye, birdie. Everybody say bye. Comment down below. Say bye-bye.